to join.
Yeah, brother. What's up? What's up? What's
What's
up?
up? What's
South
up,
Coast.
bhai? How are you? How are you doing?
Being great, brother. How are you?
Awesome, 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 bro. And
Okay, so before we start, just let me tell you what's happened over here. So I've been trying to go live on my channel from 8 o'clock, right?
yeah, yeah.
And 2 minutes prior to 8 o'clock, my phone went dead, okay? And I haven't been able to switch my phone on. So आज हम लोग live कर रहे हैं with a spare phone that I have, right? So it's going to be a lot of fun. Thank you for all the people that are joining in. सब लोग एक
Yeah.
एक करके join हो जाओ भाई.
Much respect,
We're going to have.
bro, everyone.
Yeah, yeah. And in the meanwhile, while everyone's joining in, right? So let me just ask you a couple of things, Pawan, so we'll get on the same page before we
Yeah.
start, right? So I want to know from your end, you've been beatboxing from how many years now?
I've been beatboxing from 6 years. Yeah, 6 years.
6 years, wow. And have you been in any hip hop battles or anything as
Yes,
such wherein you had to beatbox to
obviously,
them?
I started my beatboxing career in hip hop battle. So I've learned a lot of things in battling. I just went to streets, hip hop scenes. There a lot of cipher happens. That's how you exchange your knowledge. That's how you learn a lot.
Exactly.
So that was an initial
Right.
path where I've learned a lot of things, and this is something very very big ups to the Bangalore beatboxing community because they are doing
That's
really
exactly.
amazing, and also all the beatboxers, much respect to them. So that's
Uh-huh.
how I could learn the craft with the exchange, and that's it.
Okay,
Yeah,
so I'll just tell you a scene that came up with me last to last year, I guess. Yeah. So last to last year, basically last year I taken out one of my songs, right? And
yeah,
I
yeah.
just finished when I started rapping in 2014. At that time, I used to only write, right? So while I was writing, and I was very skeptical to get into the hip hop field to understand the culture. I love the culture from the time I was a small child, right?
I
Since the
always
time
hear
Snoop
more
Dogg.
about you with Uji sir. Uji sir used to tell.
Oh, so basically, what's happened over here is I was very skeptical, but then we had done Raftar's show with
Yeah, yeah.
O3 and others as
I was
well,
there. I was
right?
there.
And that was crazy, dude. And Harjas, you must know him with the name Harjas Hajjai.
Yes,
So
yes,
he's
yes.
another rapper from, Raftar's team who was recently, he's left Raftar's team recently. But
Okay.
the scene that happened is he walked up to me and he told me, "So what do you do?" And I was like, "Bro, I rap, but I normally only write. I'm not a person who raps it out, or I'm not a vocal person about it, right?" So he told me, if you can, write, then you can rap because hip hop is the voice. You need to be your own voice. And
Exactly.
then I started getting into the culture, learning about it, understanding it, and for me, it's been a different journey because throughout the journey, I've taken parts in battles and ciphers and everything, right? And the first cipher that I went to was Malad Masti.
Okay.
It wasn't the cipher that I was planning to go to. It was actually in Bhainder and in Bandra and all those sides that I was planning to go for the underground real ciphers,
So that's
right?
the
But
hip
we
hop
had a
scenes in
cipher.
Mumbai. The hip hop scenes in Mumbai.
Exactly.
My,
Right. And for me, I am a basic 64 ka ladka. 64 is the pin code, right? So that's been my life, right? And right now I'm with family in Bangalore, and Bangalore's been like a second home to me with
yeah,
my whole
yeah.
family
Much
sitting
respect.
there. And brother. As well as, Bangalore scene also is very hard. Abhi, right now, the COVID pandemic is there. But before the pandemic, we had a lot of people, ciphering, jamming.
Yeah,
Kannada hip
yeah,
hop was coming out,
yeah.
Tamil hip hop,
Very much.
it's crazy.
It was
It's
going up
been
in a
crazy.
boom. It was like
I
going
swear.
very, very, very awesome. And
I personally wanted to go there, but then the moment I came down after like 3 months, I finished with my job and all, and I gave everything to music, and that's where I wanted to belong because I've always had that connection with it. But
awesome,
before I
awesome.
got into the scene, pandemic struck, and then I got stuck over here. So no problem. Once this is
Yeah.
over with the pandemic thing, let's meet up. Let's do something big.
Obvious,
Okay?
obvious, and I just want to tell there's much respect to Artist Connect for doing this amazing because they're keeping us engaged. All the artists
Of
they're
course.
coming up with new ideas and creative, yeah, and we are put to hear something to do our the virtual event, but I seriously miss the actual event, the actual stage, the crowd and the vibe. Oh my God, that I really miss those,
Anytime, anytime,
and I hope so. It's
anytime.
everything gonna be normal soon. Let's keep
Yeah,
support. It'll keep supporting all the artists. That's how we grow together. You could support. We'll grow together.
I swear, man, that's been a very big part, and that's basically what the hip hop culture is about. For not only giving out your voice and telling what you feel and how your life is and what's the things that you're going through, but also with things that how you can help the culture and everyone in the culture to grow, even the people who are not aware about the culture. But that's been the main thing. So right. So without letting our people who are joined in get bored, right? Let's just give them a small glimpse of what's going to happen, right? So before I start, I want you to show them what an expert pro looks like when he beatboxes.
I don't call it as an expert pro, but still I do my best. What I can do.
Of
So
course,
this
of course.
is something, a big shout out to Artist Connect, O3 Events, and Uji sir, all the team over there, and a big shout out to all the audience out here, all the artists, all the beatboxers, and yeah, let's go. This is human music. Drum and bass like let's drop it like
Okay, okay,
I
okay, okay.
just went on
Crazy, sick.
freestyle. I just went on freestyle. That's nothing having a routine to be, because it's almost been a year, doing all the stage shows and then haven't practiced yet. And yeah, that's it. So I hope everyone liked it.
Oh, much love, brother. As well as I do understand, whenever a rapper goes into, ciphers and battles, right? Most of the rappers, mostly, they do know how to give at least the basic beats,
Yeah, yeah,
right?
yeah, that's
So,
what. And I forgot to go ahead with the basics. I just went on the flow. But the cipher and the session happens like this is how all the
nice,
rappers
nice,
vibe
sick.
with the beatboxers.
I swear, man, that sounds sick when you're live, when you're in the cipher, when people are
Yeah, yeah.
surrounded you. That
I,
will actually
I can
go
get the feel. I
crazy,
can get
man.
the feel out.
I know, right? And the best part about it is, I started like I used to beatbox from way back when I was a DJ, when I didn't
Yeah,
even
yeah.
know
No,
how
I
to
remember.
rap, how to write a rap or anything. So I didn't know much, but I still don't. I just know the basics and stuff and all, right?
Yeah,
So
I
this
like
is
to hear
what.
from you. I would like to hear from you.
Sure.
Right, let's go. In three, two, one. Beatbox.
And my favorite, guess which one?
Yeah.
So that's the basics that I get with. So I don't know much, but I keep that for freestyling when we meet up with rappers, when we meet up with all the people in the scene, and we go freestyle live on it. It's next level sit,
Yeah, yeah,
the
yeah.
sick thing that happens is whole next gen, right? So without wasting any further time, let's get into the first part of it,
Yeah.
right? So the first part of it that we would be getting into is basically, what I do on my channel is 4 random beats with freestyle for me, which I go on. We'll go on to the first beat of today, right? Let's see how it sounds, the first 10 seconds of it,
Let's go.
right?
Let's go.
And
Let's go.
while I'm rapping on it, yeah. So the best part about having a beat and having a beatboxer with you is while the beat is going on, the beatboxer can catch up to the beat, right?
Yeah.
But I'm not quite sure because there's going to be lag because we are on live, right?
Hoping
There's going to be lag. There's
gonna
going
be
to be a lot of issues. Yeah, so it seems perfect at the moment. Let's see if it still stays perfect. If you can hear it on a stable note, you catch in. If not, then let that be there, and we'll do it simultaneously, like after the beat is over,
Yeah,
like
yeah,
by one. Yeah.
yeah.
The first beat of the day that we are going ahead with is known as Nike. Now, this beat is produced by Bhera Beats, based they rap. Okay, so Bhera Beats is one of the beats that I literally like the production. The
Yeah.
production is always on sync, and for a rapper, for a beatboxer, or for any person who's in music, the BPM and to stick to the BPM is very important because even one beat from here and there is on.
The flow and the structure.
Yeah, if the structure is not perfect, it ends up screwing with the person's flow or
Exactly.
the structure of the person he's
Yeah.
going with, right? So let's just hear the beat and see how it sounds. It's taking a little longer than I thought. Just bear with me. So let me just check one thing. Sorted. So I think we are all up for that. Let's just start the beat. So that's the first 10 seconds
Yeah.
of the beat. So we're going to start the beat once again. Now as we understand where the beat is going and what flow it's on, right? And let's see how we can freestyle on that. Yeah. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, start. Grenade. सीधा 64. खतरनाक बॉय भेजते रात के साथ नाइट बीट अलमनाक सीन अबे खतरनाक ये तो भाई की है चलते हैं रास्तों पे जैसे बहुत सारे खड्डे हैं तो खड्डे को भी साइड में रखे हमारे स्कर्ट बेटे जैसे हम ही बाप और जैसे हमारे दोस्त मेरे सारे मारे लोग सारे मारे रोड जैसे हम चलते हैं रोड पे हमारे ग्रुप के बिना भी चल दे आज जैसे सन की है भाई सारे पन के और सारे पन के बिना भी है हम सन के हम चलते हैं रोड पे आज जैसे छोड़ दिए भाई लोग ने छोड़ के आज जो भी थूक देंगे बात तेरे मुंह पे बेटे सोच में नहीं आएगा जिसे मेरे सोच में है पास ये सारे चलते रात पे जितने यहाँ सितार मेरे बचे गिटार से दिल में जो गिटार है बड़े में छोड़ू भान पे जितने यहाँ बड़े पे नहीं लगे हैं कान पे मेरे बड़े हैं सुनते हैं ध्यान से बीच जब बजता बेटे नहीं दे देंगे जान बेटे दे देंगे जान हिप हॉप ये कल्चर मेरे स्टाइल में नहीं है हम कल्चर ना फेक बने ना ही देखिए नहीं काटते नहीं है बांटते हैं सेक के नहीं लोग साथ में तभी है हम तो फेंकते हैं बाहर से अब जितने साथ आज उसे नहीं 8 पे 8 9 10 चल जिससे भी हो जाए बेटे साथ में है क्योंकि सभी है भाई बेटे हम भाई बैठे हैं दूर दूर से तभी आगे है देखते हैं घूर घूर के बेटे घूर घूर के ना देखे नहीं चल रहा फ्री स्टाइल जी स्टाइल ओजी करना भाई तेरा फ्री स्टाइल तभी लाइफ पे विद पवन भी ऑन द फ्री स्टाइल हमारे ये बीट पे पास तभी हम फ्री काइल ए सीधा किल करते बार ये बीट पे चलते जैसे चलते हैं तार देंगे बिना तार के भी तार गोले खा के मार देंगे जैसे हम बीट पे चले तो भी हम गाड़ दे सभी चलते आसपास बीट के जैसे हम भी बीट पे लगाते नहीं चीट कोड के बिना खेलते GTA थे, अंदर भी टैंक्स लाते थे, सीधा पीट के किया बीट का मर्डर। यहाँ पे चल रहे हैं सारे जैसे बीट है मर्डर, हम तो चलते हैं राय जैसे बीट है मर्डर। बेटे ये रीत नहीं चीट नहीं सीट है मर्डर, अब बेटे सीट पे बैठ के कर ले सीधियां धर्म बेटे, तवा पे नहीं चलता है जैसे धर्म बेटे, अधर्म से ज्यादा ये चलते हैं लोग मेरे पास नहीं, सांस नहीं बास मेरे पास तेरे, हाँ पास नहीं आते लोग ये चुप करते हैं यहाँ अंधेरों में काश ये काम मेरे सारे ये जो ठहरे नहीं लोग के पास से, मैं तो लुक नहीं दे रहा तभी आज से बात पे, हाँ सभी मस्के में सभी है ये गुम, अगले बार तक धुन भी तू ये सुन ऑफ बीट हो गए क्योंकि बीट हुआ है स्टॉप बेटे, तभी नहीं होते भाग तेरा कभी फ्लॉप बेटे। So that was our first
Mad.
six
Crazy one, crazy one.
beat. And that's the reason I love Bass Day Trap and Bass Day Rap. These both people create killer beats, right? They are on spot. And on YouTube, you can find like multiple beats, but very less or very few, composers actually compose the beat that you can actually freestyle perfectly on. Others are
And
actually newcomers.
the best point was that you are on a flow. It was like
Yeah. So basically, my flow changes. I go with multiple flows, but my flow changes according to the beat. If the beat is a fast trap beat or a slow storytelling beat, or if it's an old school 90s hip hop beat or a boom bap beat, or it changes that way. And the only beat that I find, that people should go last for, because very less, everyone's not the same person. Everyone doesn't have the same talent. Everyone doesn't come from the same cloth. So what I believe is people want to learn, they need to understand which is their flow and how they need to flow with it. So इससे मेरे को याद है जितने लोग लाइव है और जितने लोग प्यार दे रहे हैं, तुम लोगों को बहुत प्यार भाई लोग. And just remember, I personally come live 8 o'clock every day in the evening on my channel Gray and 8, as well as जितने लोग को सीखने का hip hop and who wants to understand how we get this done, how it starts, how it all started, or where you're stuck, you need help. Do join in Sundays every morning at 8 a.m. as well as in the evening 8 p.m. 8 a.m. we do the learning, 8 p.m. we do this. 4 beats, 4 freestyles with Gray and 8. And Pawan Rio bhai ko bhi bahut pyar. Don't worry, khatam nahi ho raha hai. We are just starting, right? So now we're going to play Pawan Rio, the big man. Okay, so he's going to start up, take us to another beat. And let's see. Bro, give me a 808 beat. Let me see if I can freestyle something on that. Yeah?
I think there's not going to be any lag or something. Like
yeah, that's fine. हाँ चलते हैं तो हम जमीन पे है आसमां, जितने लोग यहाँ करते हैं खत्म इससे भी दूर, यहाँ दोस्त मेरे जैसे करते हैं सब मजबूर, रोज बेड़े हाँ रोज बेड़े यहाँ करते हैं स्ट्रीट पे फ्री फायर जैसे हम करते ना चीट पे जितने लोग लिखते हम लिखते हैं इससे ज्यादा.
I think there's lag. You're not into the
Yeah, there's a very minute lag, right?
Yeah.
So I can hear you clearly, but I think that's coming to me little later. So not a problem. We'll do that someday when Artist Connect.
Yeah, exactly. Once we meet, we're gonna jam together in Artist Connect, and I'm waiting for it. Yeah. So as you said, so this is something. Big ups to all the audience who's here. So much respect to them. Much love to everyone.
Much love, brother. And before we get into anything, I just want to know. So for you, how did hip hop start?
Okay, for me, hip hop started in 2015. I was not much into more hip hop, and I started looking out to the boys, who were into beatboxing. So I was into my college culturals and all. So that's how I got into beatboxing, and the way you present hip hop, according to myself, is like something you identify your style. You come out of your style, your own way, your style, and it's like kind of a freedom. Hip hop is something very freedom for everyone. You understand what your style is. So that's how I got into it, and it was being inspired by a lot of people. I've been, each every day get by looking a lot of artists I get inspired, and especially Bangalore artists. They're doing really amazing. So that's how. And each by every day, I keep doing something new. I get into myself into new creative. It's like kind of evolving. And earlier, beatboxing was like just in nothing but. And today it's like This is something.
Oh,
And earlier, and today, and that's how. And in next for future, it's going to be something more interesting,
obviously, obviously.
and trap music and everything. I love them a lot, and so just be
Right.
flow, get in, meet a lot of people, meet a lot of the rappers, cipher with them, and that's how you exchange your knowledge. So that's how I got into.
Okay.
And all right, so let me drop. So without any delay, let's go. Let's go. And
Yeah.
and this
Sure.
is something gonna be in a trap music. So I'm a trap lover. I like trap music. Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So you're a trap person, is it?
Yeah, I love trap music a lot.
Okay. So do you want me to play a trap beat for you, and then on that, would you go, or you would prefer doing it
Yeah, that
solo
would
right
be
now as
that
there's
would
a
be that would be awesome. That would be better. You play a trap music,
okay.
then later I go ahead.
Okay, cool. I'll play a freestyle trap beat. This is known as Next Level. This was made by Rujay. So we're
Uh,
going to play this and see how it turns out. Yeah,
cool,
sure.
cool, cool.
It's getting serious on this track, man.
So that was the beat, right? So you got an idea of the beat. Now what we're going to do is we're going to play this beat once again from the beginning,
Yeah,
right? And if you could freestyle on that, would be awesome. Yeah,
yeah, sure, sure.
cool. So let's start. Just a moment. I'm just going to start this beat from the beginning. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, start.
It's getting serious on this track, man.
Yeah.
Okay,
Done.
what's up?
Got it, got it. Yeah. Let me go ahead with the flow. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
So there's a lot of delay. There's a lot of delay, bro. I'm not able to get it.
I the first two times even I guessed as much. The lag is too heavy to go with the flow like that, right? And even if we both can hear it properly, the people who are viewing it will again see a delay in the lag, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that's going to be an issue. And again, we have the system at my end, and you're freestyling at that end, so that's going to be an issue.
yeah.
Not a problem. Not a problem. We're going
Okay,
to
let me
hear.
make the same drop and the same beat. What you're saying. Like, Let's like. Let's drop it like.
Oh, sick, bro. So, as people have enjoyed that, we won't let them go out of the flow, right? So, we're going to let them enjoy in the flow itself. So,
Yeah.
without any delay, I'm going to to the next beat so that even I can join the fun over there, right?
Yeah.
So, we have our next beat. Let me just check that for you right away. Right. So our next beat is named as a Gangster Theme. Right. This is from Mixla, and I've not heard this beat. Let's hear how it sounds.
Let's
Right.
go.
And Ravi Baral says, by the way, dope beat. Shout out to you, brother. Much love, much love.
Thank you so
So
much.
तुम लोग को मैं नाम बता रहा हूँ. I'm telling you all the names. So if you like the beat, अगर तुम लोग को कुछ करने का है beat पे, बिल्ला मचाओ, bro. Go check the beat out and vibe to it. Right. And we're gonna go with the second beat of the day. That's Gangster Theme. Let's see how it sounds. So that's how it's gonna sound. It's gonna be a old school vibe, right? And old school boom baps are always in my area because I love that area, right? So let's just go back and rewind the beat from the beginning, and let's start with a little epic vibe. Yeah.
Yo, going in, boy. Soon. Old school vibes. I see that G style. A gangster team naam hai तो क्या ही काम बैठे यहाँ पे समी से जिससे जुड़े हम जैसे समी से बैठे हम तो सारे हैं तो कम ही कम है सारे बीट में है धुन जो सारे लोग आते मुझे कि तुम सुन लियो अबे सुन ले सारे आते बीट पे सारे करते हैं वाइब ना है बीच पे तभी बीच नहीं करता हूँ लाइव पे आने में तभी चलता है साइड पे और चलते ही जाए अपन रात भर हम बेटे इसी पे हंसाए इसी पे फंसाए इसी पे सभी को हम बताए देंगे सभी है बीट पे तो हम सभी को हंसाए चलते हैं बीट पे ये चलती है वाइब चलती है साइड में तो चले अपन की लाइफ हाँ अपन तो सीधा बीट पे हिप हॉप है जैसे करें यहाँ सारे भाई हिप हॉप है वो ये जैसे नया है सोच के यहाँ स्कोप नहीं डालते हैं फ्लो पे ठोकते हैं हम ठोके सारे यहाँ नहीं है चौक पे नहीं चौक करना जानते तब अभी आप रोक में आके मुझे सारे यहाँ बीट पे वाइब करते हैं सारे जैसे अपने स्टाइल में सारे अपने राइम में सभी अपने साथ क्योंकि अपना टाइम है यो हाँ अब पुरानी कहानी जुबानी सारे आते हैं लोग क्योंकि हमें ये बताने नहीं आते हैं सोचने तभी बाज है मुंह पे, झूठ के झूठ और ये बाज है झूठ के। हाँ हम झूठ नहीं टूटते, तभी है ये सच जैसे हम बेटा दूध से लेके आए हैं दूध पे मुंह पे सीधा मारते हैं शॉन माइकल। हाँ सोचे ना जैसे मेरा भी सन टाइसन, अब बेटे सन मेरा नहीं है तो ये टाइसन। तभी फाइट पे देते हैं हम एक साइबर, साइबर पे भी जाते थे बहुत हम मचाते ही है और हाथे पे लॉस हम लोड नहीं है कम यहाँ दिमाग पे। तभी चलते ही सॉन्ग नहीं बात दिमाग से सोच के सारे बात से निकलते आते तो बिना सोच की भी निकल से कल के लौटे असीधा हल्के में नहीं बेटा हल्के पे असीधा झाड़ती है सही बेटा। तभी हम सीधे यहाँ फ्री स्टाइल वाइब में और साथ में फ्री स्टाइल वाइब में असीधा हाइप पे असीधा काइट पे माने हम खींचते थे लपेट साइड में। तभी लपेटते हैं सारे भाई साइड पे दिल्ली से लेके चौसठ और ये चली वाइब है। बेंगलुरु मेरा होम क्या सेकंड होम, अब भाई लोग भी जोन क्या सीधा फोन तो करते हैं जोन में मचान जैसे आते हैं सारे यहाँ पे गले होम। सारे होमीज हैं सारे होम ब्रीज है सारे ब्रीज यहाँ फ्लो होते होम चीज पे। अब बिना चीज के खाता में यहाँ बर्गर क्यों, क्योंकि बर्गर किंग से भी यहाँ मर्डर क्यों। सीधा बाहर यहाँ से भी आते बाज में नहीं आते भाई लोग तो हंसा दे ही जाते क्योंकि हाय है सारे तभी हाय है सारे तभी भाई में जाने वाले साइड में सारे। तभी हम तो रहते हैं बीट पे जैसे भगवान रहता अपनी सीट पे, भगवान रहता अपनी ही बीट पे। अब बाहर लोग रहते अपनी ही चीखते हैं बीट पे। सारे कह रहे भाई ये कहेंगे जैसे ध्यान से फिल्टर जो है साइड में फिल्टर पे मैं फिल्टर लगाऊं तू भी कर ले साइड में जैसे रंग बीत गया है मेरे की साइड पे। कह रहे भाई बाउं कह रहे सुन में अब हमें भाई जोन कर रही है फोन पे और तभी ब्लैक आउट और तभी रूल है अन्य मूड शेडिंग तभी है ये सुन में। तो मचता हूँ अपने बीट पे जोन में जैसे लोग करते हैं बेटे कहीं फोन में भाई लोग करे फोन उठा के भी क्रेजी सारे लोग बोले भाई तू भी नेजी। Oh God!
Wow,
You got
wow,
the beat.
wow, 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 wow.
But
Crazy, crazy,
No
crazy.
problem. That was a sick beat,
Yes,
right? So
I
must.
swear, I swear.
And another shout out to all the people who have joined in. I see multiple people joining in that join me on my live. There's Akshay over here. There's the insane Bhai over here. Okay, then there's another people, 95 brand, and a lot of people that I know. So bhai log, bahut pyar tum log ko, and thank you so much for joining in. Right, it's been a wonderful time, and don't worry, we are not going so soon. We still have a lot that's gonna come in. Right. So we're gonna have Pawan with us every week. Okay, there's gonna be one special day. जहाँ तुम
Yeah.
सबको update मिलेगा. भाई लोग follow मारो Artist Connect as well as Grenade and Pawan के भी channel को follow मारो क्योंकि मेरे को उसका
Yeah,
idea
do
है
follow
नहीं.
me on Instagram and in all the social media. It's got Pawan Rio. It's PAWANRIO. And a big shout out to Grenade and a big shout out to Artist Connect and Uji sir. Much respect for you. You always encourage the artists.
Yeah, and the whole team, by the way, that is,
Yeah.
Artist Connect, Uji sir, Dixit
Rakesh
sir,
sir,
Riya
Dixit sir,
everyone.
everyone, always they keep on, motivating all the artists, no matter what, even in this situation, they do the best. I know no one else, trying to do with this collab with the artists and, keep them, posted in the social media, Artist Connect is doing really amazing in that. Much love for them.
Much love to them.
Much love.
So,
And this, okay, I'm
yeah.
gonna do a special in a kind of technical, which is especially dedicated to the team and
Okay.
Listen.
Oh man, that was some next level shit. You even went with the droplet box, huh?
Yeah.
That's next level shit, bro. Oh man, that's crazy. Some crazy things over there. Okay, so just letting you all know, by look, now we have already exceeded the half an hour slot that we normally come for, and don't worry, we're going to be here till 10:30, as you all know, right? So हम लोग already अभी 10:07 बज रहे 10:07. We have only like 15-20 minutes left with us, so we'll be speeding up things with the beats and the beatboxing. Don't you worry, right? So हम लोग second beat खत्म कर चुके थे. Now we'll be going to a third beat, right? The third beat of the day. Now I haven't selected these beats or heard to these beats prior. These are just beats that are popping up on my screen. I'm just clicking on them. So let me just see which beat is it that I can give out for y'all जो कड़क सुनाई देने वाला है. ठीक है? I have a hard aggressive beat. Now this beat is 3 minutes 27 seconds. This is by Koerzer, Koerzer, right? So suno beat and let me know how it is. It's a aggressive 808 beat. Okay?
Cool.
So check it out. Okay, there we go. That's how the beat is gonna sound. So हम लोग वापस beat चालू करेंगे and let's see how we can prolong the freestyle on this. Yeah. तो भाई लोग सब लोग साथ में चलो start.
Korean night boy, I see that Chaucer. Yo, some dragon, yo. बहुत सारे यहाँ जितने वाइब में है बहुत सरस कहाँ सरस लोग है और सरस सोच है सड़क सीधे तो हम सीधा आके नोच ले आज सारे रोड पे है भाई लोग भी बीट पे जैसे हम तो चले सारे आज जैसे जीतने तो सीधा सोच में ही रखते जितपन से हम बचपन तक असो लोग आए मुझे रोकने असो गम भी है यहाँ बहुत पे असो स्पीड से नहीं है चलते 150 से करते राइट सीधा करके ये लौंडे बहुत हार्ड है लौंडे है एकदम पार्ड में चले है सीधा बचपन से पहाड़ पे चढ़ते है सीधा स्काई करते नहीं हार्ड है तभी है लाइव करते भाई लोग भी है साथ में है रियो साथ और नीचे है कमेंट्स में और सारे दोस्त भाई लोग सीधा ट्रेंड में और भाई लोग सीधा करते हैं फ्रेंड जोन नहीं बेटे फ्रेंड फोन करते सीधा फ्रेंड में हाँ सीधा 10 out of 10 यही है बीट पे हाँ सीधा 10 out of 10 हाँ भी जीत ले हाँ सीधा बीट चली अपनी ही रीत से तभी नहीं सोचते क्योंकि हमें ये जीतने हाँ जीतना है सोच सीधा मौत की है क्यों हम मौत को भी हाई फाई देते यहाँ पे रोज हम तो खतरनाक लौंडे खतरनाक ये भी सोच है वाइब तो आके सीधा हमें आके नोचते भोगते कुत्ते है बहुत बार रोकेंगे तुझे भाई मत करना यार ये नहीं है स्टार जो चल रहा अंदर मेरे चल रहा बचपन से है येरा गिद्दा न तो यहाँ बीट पे चलता सीधा वाइब ये हार्डकोर है स्टाइल तो हार्डकोर है स्टाइल पे अपन तो सीधा 64 के ही फाइल से खोल दे फाइल तो बाहर निकले सीधा स्टाइल में निकलने वाले चलते ही यहाँ मौके ढूंढे अपन ने तो सारे मौके ढूंढ के मारे हैं चौके ढूंढ के सारे हैं छक्के भाग यहाँ भाग सारे यहाँ फील्डिंग नहीं है तेरी आज अब फील्डिंग मेरी लगी थी बचपन में 64 के थे हम देख स्कूल में थे ढंग के नहीं अब भी करते बांधे थे आज जैसे सारे यहाँ मचाते हैं क्रांति पे आंटी को रखे हम दूर से हाय बोले है घूर के तभी हम चलते मूड में क्योंकि अपना है मूड पे अब कभी दूर है अब भाई लोग भी मचाते सीधा भी तोड़ के यहाँ पे फोड़ के चले हैं सारे छोड़ के और तभी लाइफ में अकेले यही अकेले मोड़ पे चले हैं भाई रोड पे मोड़ को तोड़ के यहाँ पे फ्लो करते छोड़ के हाँ सीधा आते खतरनाक मेरे बातें खाते में खोल के लिखाऊंगा तेरी ही जावे अबे तूने सोचा नहीं जो हिसाब है वो हिसाब मेरे अंदर से मेरे ही तो खाबों में भी तेरा भाई आता है जो हार्डकोर ग्रेनेड ब्रो सीधा बार छोड़ अगली बार तक मिले ही यहीं पे 8 बजे सही पे तो कहीं नहीं जमी बे.
So that was the third beat of the day, which was known as Chorus का hard aggressive 808 beat known as Dragon. तो जिन लोग बीट पसंद आया, जो लोग फ्री स्टाइल करते हैं या रैप करते हैं, भाई लोग चेकआउट मारो, एक नंबर सीन है. ठीक है, it was not a bad beat. I got a couple of places in between that beat actually skipped, and there was a part which flickered a bit. And obviously we make music, तो हम लोग को सुनाई देता है.
It was in a vibe. It was groove. It was the vibe.
That's how we do it, bro. And even in ciphers, it's multiple times that it happens that when you're rapping and when it's a new cipher, when you do not have your own person that you jam with, when it's a different beatbox, a lot of ciphers give their own beatboxes. They don't let someone else bring their beatboxes. That's where the challenge lies, right? And that's where the whole scene goes sick. And I'm not quite sure, but I think I heard one of my people who I was talking to, they had mentioned that Bangalore had a bar, okay, a bar near some Hennur or Kotnur or somewhere, where in this bar only hip hop, only freestyle, they keep rapping and all. But I think they closed down for some reason. But I'm not quite sure about it. I'm still not sure.
No, I'm not sure about it. I haven't heard.
Okay, because I heard as such. So, it's you, brother. You're going to show me all the places where we can battle and freestyle.
Sure, yes.
Right? Let me meet all the hudgas and the hudgis and of the scene. And okay, fun apart. But now it's your turn, brother. Let's just switch it to the next level. Let the man of the house take it. Right, Rio. Chalo, brother.
The man of the house. Sloppy down. I'm going to do the track and hit the body, hit the body, hit the body, hit the body.
Oh, sick, brother. Ek number,
Okay,
bro. Hot wala
and,
scene.
and let me do one beat, which is, I love this beat when I started beatboxing. So at that time, Rishabh Yash, he was doing really amazing, and this is a big shout out to him because it's his style, okay, his routine. Rishabh, and this is big shout
Okay.
out to you. It's like flow.
Oh, that was some crazy shit. Nicely started, nicely ended. Beach
Yeah.
mein you took a whole different hype. That was some crazy next level things. Huh? But really, really, it's been a very, very fun evening, right? And all the people, specifically, Akshay Srivardhanakar. I think I'm pronouncing that right. That's Akshay Srivardhanakar says it's all the best, dude. It's Saturday night. You made my evening, is what he said, right?
Yeah,
Thank
yeah,
you
yeah.
so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, bro, you're there.
I think there was some issue wherein I lost you all for a second. You
Yes,
can hear
yes,
me now?
yes, yes. I can hear you now.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome. So basically, much love, brother, and let the love keep coming in. And if you feel that you've enjoyed with us today, make sure that you get all your friends next time. Catch a bottle of whiskey,
And yeah,
vodka,
one
rum,
of my
anything
friend is
that
here.
you like.
Sabrinath is one of the best beatboxer in Bangalore. He's here. What's up? What's up, Sab?
Uh-huh.
I miss you, bro.
What's up,
Thank you
sir?
so much.
Shout out, brother. So much love to everyone, right? And as I told y'all, we only have some time left. It's only like 15 minutes left that we have. So we'll be going ahead and starting the third beat for the day before we end it with the last beat, right?
Yes, yes.
एंड थर्ड बीट जितने भी पब्लिक मेरे चैनल से आए हैं जो मेरा लाइव देख के आए उनको पता होगा हम लोग ने ये बीट पे फटे मचाया था तो मैं वो बीट वापस बजाने वाला हूँ द बीट्स नेम is flow. Now this is again a beat from Base Day Trap. This beat came out this year itself, 2021, so not too long ago, and I have just heard it once today because I freestyled on it prior. And मेरे को अभी फिलहाल कोई beats मिल नहीं रहे ढूंढने के लिए, so I'm just going to do the easy work with the beat that I had prior. Just going to play that, and it's a lovely beat. That's another reason why I'm playing it, ताकि तुम लोग सुनो, like tomorrow, and you really enjoy the beat, right? So listen to the beat, check it out, and let me know how it is, right? And let's start live. And there it starts. And that's how the beat is going to flow. So हम लोग उसको थोड़ा rewind करेंगे, starting से एक और बार बजाएंगे, and this time you're going to see the freestyle from my end as well. So let's just take it and have fun with this time. Yeah, chalo.
Yo, flow, flow, check, yo, Korean made, पुरानी थी की बीट सभी को है shout out. Thank you for coming live. Yo, हाँ पुरानी बीट पे हम पुरानी सीट पे तभी हम बीट पे रंग कटे जैसे हम अभी एलीट पे हाँ अभी एलीट है तभी हम चलते हैं बीट पे जैसे गाड़ियों में घूमने की आदत ना रीत पे ना है रीत पे चलते हम दो पहियों की है तभी ये कहानी तभी ये से तभी हम लाइफ पे जगह ले जैसे हम लेते हैं रोज हाँ न भी गया मैं राह न भी ये गया राह न भी ये गया है सांस तभी ये चले है बाज मेरे है नाराज मुझसे तब करते हैं आवाज मैं आवाजों को भी दूर रख के लगाता हूँ बाज नहीं रोज है बाज है लोग है जो भी है चलते हैं शॉर्ट पे करते हैं रोग हाँ कल की कहानी है मेरी जुबानी है चलते हैं सारे लोग है पानी है मैं पानी जैसे परसों है जैसे परसों मेरा चलता है ऐसे ही चलता बीट मेरे और जैसे वाइब में चले हैं सभी लोग साइड में टकराते जैसे वाइब में हाँ सभी लाइन लगाते रोज है जैसे ये शॉर्ट लगाना है रोज यही है शॉर्ट तभी हम दूर से जैसे है हॉट पे तवे पे जैसे अंडा है पकड़ा ये जैसे बॉस अपन तो सीधा ये मौत किक से पाए आते हैं जैसे है कॉफ सीधा है कॉफ करते सारे को लगता है डर क्योंकि ना साइरन से लगता है डर तभी ये बैठे हैं सारे लोग घर पे जैसे हम करते हैं सारे लोग घर पे मचाते हैं जैसे सारे पीठ पे मारे जैसे ये कर पे सारे ये मारे हैं स्कर्ट जैसे हम घर पे मारे हैं हर्ट नए हैं लोग बने हैं सारे कुक्स सारे है बर्ड हाँ सारे है बर्ड लगाते फ्लो पे सारे फ्लाई करते हैं जैसे अपने ही सारे लेके हैं बर्ड थोड़ा ऑफ है बीट क्या तभी भाई लोग खड़े फीट क्या न्यू स्टाइल सुन नहीं है भाई ये नहीं है कहानी पुराने जमाने पूरी नहीं कहानी हाँ अपने कमाने सारे है लोग दोस्त नोटों में जमानी हाँ अपन को जमानी तभी ये भाई बदल करते हैं जमानी हाँ जमाने लोग में घूमे हैं सारे अपने दिमाग में रोक हाँ सारे ये बहुत जितने भी कुत्ते से सारे के मौत पे सारे ये कुत्ते को देते हैं मौत पे तभी हम पूछे क्यों है कॉफ पे हाँ चाइना से लेके इंडिया सारे ये देख लगा है इंडिया जैसे है वीडियो से न लगता है डर जैसे कल्चर में बैठा है मैं बसर सारे है डर के सारे है लोग बैठे घर पे और नए है बीट पे वाइब जैसे भाई करते नए है लाइफ में राइम जैसे हम सड़के यहाँ पे सड़कों पे छोड़ के आए जैसे सड़के मेरे सीधा कल से
Okay, so the bite and the beat was a little off. I completely forgot that this
much love, much respect, bro. That was amazing.
Yeah. chalega, no issues. And the people who feel that everyone is perfect, no one's perfect, brother. So if you're trying for the first time, this is a live proof that when you're trying for the first time or you're just getting into the scene, even the best of the best, there are certain things on certain beats and certain places in life where you're going to get stuck, and that should not pull you down. So keep pulling yourself up, keep beating everything that comes in your life that pulls you down, and keep moving forward. And the way beats ko Rio beatbox karta hai, and let everyone hear that and let them learn. जैसे beats हम लोग के बीच में नहीं रुकते, जैसे कोविड हम लोग को नहीं रोक पाता है, जैसे अदर चीजें जो भी लाइफ में हम लोग को पकड़ नहीं पाते, let Rio teach you how to defeat them and go forward.
Yeah, exactly. So as you said, I'm going to have start my classes, I'm going to give, tutorials and also practices. So from the coming week, so guys, whoever you're, just do, follow me up on Instagram and all the social media. It's Pawan Rio. So I'm going to take, tutorials and also workshops every week. And in a month, I'm going to take a workshop, and also I'm going to teach you from the basics and to the technical level and the musical the part and everything.
Okay.
Yeah, so from the basics, like to the pro. Yeah, so these all things will be in the workshops and everything. So I'm gonna, and I think we hardly have another, 5 minutes left. So
yeah,
I'm just gonna end, and this is gonna be the end session, guys. So much love, much respect to all the people out, who turned today, supported us, and once again, it's a big Artist Connect, everyone to the team. All right, so let's go. Yeah.
Number. Hakala scene, bro. And just as we have 5 minutes